was younger, there wasn't many girls' football teams or girls' role models, whereas now you can hopefully look at players on that screen and in the men's squad, and obviously look at them to inspire and want to be like them one day.
Why do you want to do football really bad?
I remember going on that top yard with the boys and the other girls, and we used to play every lunchtime, every break time. You couldn't stop me. I just enjoyed it, I loved it. So from then on, when I went to Cymru Comprehensive, that's when I found out there was girls' football teams, and I went and joined, and I've loved it ever since. I saw this on Twitter, and that's why I'm here today, because of this shirt. So, and like I said, I played in this yard once. I just remember just kicking the ball around every lunchtime. All you got to do, girls, is go and have fun. Girls, ready? Go! It's just a ball. Yeah, it wasn't that scary, was it, in the end? Anything that you enjoy, just give it a go. Oh, yeah.
Maybe I become you?
I said, keep being you. You don't need to be me, do you? You can be you, 'cause you're awesome as you are, aren't you?
Yeah.
It was a surreal moment, and I think, to be honest with you, I'm still kind of pinching myself a little bit, and I'm going to have to sit down and kind of take it all in and remember kind of what's happened tonight and how big it is. And yeah, I'm just so proud and just privileged to kind of have played with the players I have and to step on the pitch every single time. So yeah, I need to kind of sit down, I think, and take it all in right now. It's a bit surreal.